Magandang buhay sa lahat at welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to simplify radical expression. So just like these examples, so we have the first one, cube root of square root of 27, x raised to the 6th power, y raised to the 3rd power. And another one, sixth root of cube root of 25, a raised to the 4th power. So paano nga po ba i-simplify ang radical expression nito na may dalawang radical symbol? So yan po yung aking papaliwanag sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's try this number 1 example. Cube root of square root of 27, x raised to the 6th power, y raised to the 3rd power. So paano nga po ba i-simplify yung gantong radical expression na may dalawang radical symbol? So first ay tignan natin yung ating radicand. So ang radicand natin dito ay 27, x raised to 6, y raised to 3. So tignan natin yung 27. Yung 27 ba ay perfect square or perfect cube? Kasi dalawa lang po yung ating index, cube root and square root. So yung 27 ay perfect cube, pero yung cube root ay nasa labas, outer na index natin. So ang gagawin lang natin ay sundan natin yung rule. Dapat yung nandito sa loob ay cube root. Ano po? Kasi perfect cube ang 27. So yung rule ng radicals, kapag dalawa po yung kanyang radical symbol ay ganito lang po yon. So we have m root of nth root of x. So pwede nating interchange yung kanilang index. So pwedeng yung nasa loob na index ay or nasa labas na index ay ilalagay natin sa loob. Just like this one, mn tapos naging nm. Or pwede rin natin pagsamahin yung dalawang index by multiplying the index. So m times n. So gagawin natin dito sa ating number 1 example, since perfect cube yung 27 at yung cube root ay nasa labas, okay, ang gagawin natin ay i-interchange natin yung kanilang index kagaya po dito. Okay, so gawin po natin. So, ang nasa labas ngayon, ito ay square root. Ito yung nasa loob na radical symbol. At yung cube root na ito ay ilalagay natin sa loob. Okay, so yan po. Square root of cube root. And then, yung ating radicand, 27x raised to 6, y raised to 3. Okay, and then simplify na natin kasi perfect cube yung 27. Okay, nasa loob na yung cube root. Okay, so this will become, yung nasa labas, ito, square root. Then, what is cube root of 27? So, this one, ang cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, so lagay natin 3. And then, how about yung variable x raised to 6? So, ang pagsisimplify ng variable, ang gagawin lang natin dito ay i-divide natin yung exponent dun sa index. So, ang exponent ng x ay 6. So, 6 divided by 3 na index, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Kaya magiging x raised to the 2nd power. Okay, para makuha yung kanyang cube root of x raised to 6. Sa y naman, magiging divide natin itong kanyang exponent 3 doon sa index na 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So this will become y raised to the 1st power. Okay, notice here na wala na yung cube root. Na-simplify na natin. So ang kanyang radical na lang dito ay square root of 3 x raised to 2, y raised to the 1st power. So, yan na po yung kanyang simplified form. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? So, we have 6th root of cube root of 25, a raised to the 4th power. So, una, tignan natin yung ating radicand, 25a raised to the 4th power. Ang 25 ay hindi perfect 6th root, hindi rin siya perfect cube root. Ang 25 po ay perfect square root ito or square, perfect square. Gawin din yung a raised to the 4th power, perfect square din po ito kasi yung exponent ng a na 4 is divisible by 2. The question is, wala po tayong square root dito. 6th root at cube root lang po. But, according to the rule, ito po, pwede nating pagsamahin yung index. Okay? Multiply natin yung index na 6 times 3. Okay? So, pagsamahin natin. Try natin pagsamahin. So, magiging 6 times 3 is 18, kaya 18th root of 25a raised to the 4th power. The question is, 18th root ay yung 25 po natin is perfect square. Again, ifa-factor po natin yung 18 na isa sa factor niya ay square root. Ano po? Para ma-simplify natin yung 25. So, i-factor natin. Kung magkasama, dito sa rule, pwedeng paghiwalayin. Pag magkahiwalay, pwedeng pagsamahin. So, kung ifa-factor natin yung 18, magiging, at isa sa factor niya ay 2, magiging 2 times 9. So, yung 9 ay nasa labas at yung 2 ay nasa loob. Kasi, ilal kukunin natin yung square root ng 25. Kaya nasa loob yung square root. Nasa labas yung 9th root. So that if you multiply, 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Okay? So lagay na po natin yung radicand na 25a raised to the 4th power. Okay? So we simplify yung nandito sa loob. Okay? So itong kopyahin natin. 9th root of, what is square root of 25? Ang square root of 25 is 5. So lagay po natin dito 5. At yung a naman, a raised to the 4th power, i-divide lang natin yung exponent sa index na 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So a raised to the 2nd power. Okay, so in this case, hindi na po natin pwedeng i-simplify yung 9th root of 5a raised to the 2nd power. Kasi ang factors lang po ng 9 ay 3 and 3 or 3 times 3 para mapaghiwalay yung 9. Ay yung 5, hindi po siya perfect cube. Ano po? So, hindi na po pwedeng i-simplify ito. So, ito na po yung ating final answer. This is the simplified form. Okay, so about this number 3 example. So, we have 5th root of 4th root of 32a raised to the 10 power. Okay, so yung number 3 example na ito ay ililib ko pong inyong activity. So, pwede po ninyong i-post yung video na ito and then try to answer. At kapag nasagutan po ninyo, play nyo po ulit yung video na ito and at the end of this video ay doon ko po ilalagay yung sagot ng number 3 question na ito. Salamat sa panood kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel. Okay, so this is the answer for number 3 question. So we have 5th root of 4th root of 32a raised to the 10 power. Okay, so ang 32 ay perfect 5th root. Ano po? So, kaya pinag-interchange lang yung 5 and 4. Magiging 4 and 5 na dito. Okay? Yung 5th root ay nasa loob, yung 4th root ay nasa labas. So that 5th root of 32 is equal to 2. Okay, 5th root of 32 is 2. At yung a raised to 10, divide lang natin yung exponent ng a na 10, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay? Kaya yung ating simplified form dito ay 4th root of 2a raised to the 2nd power. Okay, so this is the reference used in this video lesson.